What did you do during the big blizzard, Max?
Oh, shoveled and shoveled.
Right.
Oh.
Yeah. You tell quite a story, old man.
I'm too tired to talk.
That's a real corker. Save that for your great-great-grandchildren. What did you do? I shoveled and shoveled. We're gonna go now. We'll see you later. It was amazing. I don't know if you're like I become a child when you start snowing that hard. I mean, obviously it creates problems and it ties up the transportation system, and not everybody loves it. I love it. And I watch the news, and I'm one of those people that they say we've got 20 inches, but they've got 25 inches over here, and I get competitive. I'm like, come on, let's get more. I just loved it. I just wanted it to keep snowing and snowing and snowing. And I think yesterday the final tally was 20 inches in Central Park. I think JFK Airport had like 25 inches. Staten Island had over 50 feet of snow. But I think they trucked it over there for some reason. They cheated. But anyway, it was a big blizzard, the biggest blizzard anyone can remember for a long time. And I was here at the office, and I was looking out the window, and I was watching this whole thing happen yesterday, and I said, I got to get out there. I have to experience this blizzard, and I have to take a camera crew with me and just experience it. This was against the advice of my physician. And all my loved ones are like, don't do it. And I said, for my viewers, I must. And because let me tell you something. Because those are 9 people that deserve the best. So I took my camera crew and we went out into the blizzard and just experienced that incredible time. Take a look. They're calling it the worst blizzard in 50 years. Some say the worst blizzard in 100 years. One really old guy says it's the worst blizzard in 400 years, but we think he's lying. Anyway, it's incredible. Take a look.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Sir, I'm going to speak to you. Hold on. Hey, how are you?
Fine.
Do you want me to shovel and you can take a break? I'll do it.
No, that's all right. That's all right.
No,
No,
okay.
no. You do this all the time or just part-time?
I'm new at this.
Oh, yes, I can tell now.
How come you have to use a shovel, but your friend gets to drive around that little buggy? Okay, as you can see, they've made a giant snow mountain right here. It's pretty amazing. I'm not very good at guessing, but I think that's about 60 feet high. I think that's probably about 900 tons of snow. And what's your name? Sir, come on and step in here. What's your name?
James.
James, where are you from?
Ohio.
Okay. Hey, a lot of snow, huh?
Yeah, a lot.
That's usually where the conversation ends. Did you see that giant snow mountain up there?
I did notice that, yes.
Have you ever played King of the Hill?
Yes, when I was younger.
Basically, one person gets up to the top, and the other tries to throw him off. You want to try that right now?
For sure.
Oh, look, there's someone else up there, too. That's great. There's going to be a Starbucks up there in about 5 minutes. Right here we see probably the greatest tragedy of today's blizzard. A bicycle completely encased in snow. That's some Chinese food that will not be delivered this evening. For Channel 4 News, this is Maurice Dubois. Back to you, Skyler. That was very homoerotic. Guys, harder. You gotta try harder. And then put your back into it. You sons of bitches. Everyone remain calm. I have a shovel. Everybody stay calm. Someone go get Coco. Okay. Tell me which way you're headed, and I'll clear your path. There you go. That's for you, and you walk that part.
All right, thank you.
Now I'm going to create a little turnaround area in case you want to turn around and come back the other way. Now turn around and go back that way.
There you go. Oh, that's nice.
Very nice.
That's nice.
I did that for you. Is this the most snow you've ever seen?
No, I told you 1930. I was born in 1922. It was almost 15. The horses fell on the street. It was 2 stories high.
What were the horses doing running around on their own?
And I wasn't running around. They was doing work on the street. And if a horse died, the sanitation worker carried a gun. He shot him in the head and they threw him in the East River.
Wait, if the horse died, why did he have to shoot him in the head?
Not in
So a guy was walking around
broke
shooting...
a leg. He broke a leg, man. You're not listening to me.
You see a man who's clearly lost his mind. They're looking for him right now at the sanitarium. You think he's being clever, but he was out here in July doing that. He had a pinwheel hat on. There he goes. Look at him, prancing all the way.
This is not compared to when I was
When
born.
you were a
that
kid,
time,
there
at
was-
that time when
there
I
was
was a kid.
feet of
That
snow.
was
There was, like, a
snow.
lot of snow.
That was more
There was
snow than
feet of
today.
snow. There's just a
Are you
lot
a
of
native
snow.
New Yorker?
No, I'm from Boston.
Boston, the fish steak. And I don't eat bacon, and I don't eat out of cans, I don't eat frozen. Then it was in the news about the undertakers. They used to dig up the expensive coffins and then take a wooden coffin, and drop it in there, throw it back together. Was it in the news? March! Quick, 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 hurry up, 1, 2, 3. This is God's gift from heaven. I love this sweater. It's the best sweater there is.
All right. That was a lot of fun. We'll take a break when we come back. You got to stay tonight. Christopher Walken is here.